So here is my projector I'm making. Now right now I've got it set up going through a cutout and that piece of paper over the wall over there, and this is going to go outside and project way up high on the side of the building. And now when it goes way up high like that, it's much bigger and looks pretty good. This is an 8-watt, only an 8-watt LED light I put in here instead of the old 300-watt bulb that it came with years and years ago, because this is a really old projector. Now for fun, I just tried to make this thing here. I'll show you. What I've got here is this film thing that came with the projector, and what I did was I hooked this motor up to one of the ends here. Now to make that, I had to do some work. I cut the top off here of that piece there, and then I drilled some holes so I could mount that gear to that other piece. I put some wire, you can see that wire kind of right there on both sides, and that connects that to there, and then which connects up to this motor here, and it's connected to a 24-volt transformer, which here's a transformer for the LED light. But the idea here is, what that does is it hooks onto this old style film and runs that film around in front of the lenses. But I screwed up here. I put this motor on this side when I should have put it on this side. The motor, since it's AC, it only spins this one way, and if it's on this side, it'd pull the film through rather than push it through, so it'd work a little bit better. The other problem I'm having here is I don't have a complete roll of film, so I had to tape this film together, so I have these kinks where it's stiffer in parts, so it doesn't bend around that very easily and go across the lens. So if I had a better piece of film, I think it would probably work, and I could dip this side of the film coming back underneath the light. But I didn't want to have a long piece go around behind the light. But it needs some improvement here, and that's about it. It shouldn't be too much trouble to make another bracket and put that on the other side there, because these just come right off and I can reverse sides. So there it is. The biggest problem here I had was, this is on the right side, but the motor just spins the wrong way. I actually do have to have the motor spin that way because the lenses reverse everything, so for it to scroll, the letters to scroll across the screen the right way, that has to spin the other way. So maybe I'll find a DC motor to hook up to that and it'll work better. I just using parts I had around here, so I didn't have to get anything fancy, just to see if it would work. And once I get a better piece of film, what I'll do is I'll just cut whatever letters and picture I want in the film that will display up there on the wall as it scrolls by. And that's about it.